explain the fifth experiment of use case lab, that is the state chart diagram. The state chart diagram is also known as transition diagram. Here we have the different states and the transition between that state. What is a state transition diagram? We'll go for an example. Consider a television. First it will be on stage, and when we switch on, it will be first it will be on the off stage, and when we switch on, it will be going to the on stage. So the states are off and on, and the transition between that is the switching on of the switch. And in a state transition diagram, we have different states and the transition between that states. Generally, a state chart diagram is for a single class. It defines the activity flow of a single class. So now we will see the example, that is the examination server. So at first we will see the notations. These are the state. For example, login is a state, and this is the initial state. Initial state is denoted by this symbol. And now we'll go down, and this is the final state, and this is the transition between different states. And we have some other notations also, that is synchronization, checkpoint, choice point, junction, and submission state, all those things. And in this examination server, we are going to use state, transition, final, and initial state. So at first we are going to log into the examination server, and then the next transition is we are going to view the examination details, then enter the student details, then we are going to select the exam, timing, and we are going to register, make payment, attend exam, check result, and log out. So this all is of the same class, and this explains the transition between that same class. And the state notation marks the entity, and the indicated state notation mark an entity, and it is indicated using a rectangular box. And then the starting symbol, it is marked using a dotted circle, that is darkened circle, and the ends transition is marked using a dotted circle followed by another circle, and the transition is marked by a transition symbol, that is the flow from one state to another state. And this all generalizes a class. With this, the state chart diagram explanation is over. Thank you for watching.